Hi, today I'm part of your Realme C55 and I'll show you how to create home screen folder on this device. So first for a while hold the application and drag this up to another one, and just by this way we just created successfully the new home screen folder. By the same way we can add here more applications. If you want to rename it, just click once on the name and enter the new one, for example the apps. To remove this folder on the screen or between the screens, you should just hold it and drag it. If you want to remove the application from the home screen, hold it and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this application on the home screen. But if you want to remove it from the folder from the home screen, just hold it and tap to remove. Then click here to remove, but don't worry, you just removed only the shortcut. You will stay with this application in the apps menu. If you want to remove the folder, only the folder, and stay with the applications on the home screen, tap to the home remove folder. But if you want to remove folder and applications together, click to remove by the swipe. Here let's remove only the folder, and as we can see these applications, they're just added to our home screen automatically. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.